Hey there everyone, welcome to Fozzdike's World. Here to show you what I've bought and what I'm going to make today. So I bought this at Kmart. It's a little egg terrarium. So look, you can see it. Cost me about $5. So I'm going to do a bit of a DIY project at home. I'll also show you the ingredients you need to do your terrarium. Have a look. Oh, that smells very nice, isn't it? So, for a terrarium, what you're going to need is, buy extra soil. You're going to need charcoal. That'll help with killing any bacteria from watering your plants. Some small stones or gravel. And of course, plants that can live in the humid environment of a closed terrarium or a open terrarium like this one where you can close it and open it. So let's get started, shall we? You're also going to need shade cloth, which is going to separate the topsoil and the plants from the charcoal and the gravel and small stones, which separates the water and prevents the roots from getting root rot and bacteria and dying on you. Alright, first things first guys, we're going to get the bottom of our terrarium and we're going to fill it up with maybe an inch of stones and pebbles. That will give us a nice layer for this water to filter down to. It doesn't really have to be much, maybe an inch or two. Really just go on what you feel is comfortable. Then you get your charcoal, which will help filter and clean the water, because the last thing you want is your plants dying in a closed terrarium like a jar or anything that you're going to use that's going to have a cork or a lid. Now you can use other things to filter through the water like sand, but from the research I've done is like sand and things like that, the water doesn't evaporate as well. So then you throw your shade cloth down. The shade cloth is going to stop the soil mixing in with the wet rock and charcoal and become just sludge, and then it'll grow bacteria and it'll end up killing your plants. Now, fun part, soil. I just bought a peat log, a square of dehydrated soil, just to buy for my terrarium. So I just put it in there nice and gently. And then I've got my plants. See, now these are the plants I bought from Bunnings. They're all terrarium based plants that you can get in a starter kit from your local, nursery, or for me I got it from Bunnings. It's a 4-pack starter kit and actually tells you the best way to do it. So let's just do it. I'm going to use this one here. Now I don't actually know the breed of these plants, so sorry, I can't help you there. Alright, so we've got our plant. I'm going to make a nice little spot for it. I'm going to fill soil up around it so it can sit comfortably, because we don't want it struggling down here, do we? I'm just going to get some more soil for it, maybe the soil it came with. Just going to add into it. Go. And there is our plant. Egg terrarium. Alright, yeah, that actually looks really nice. Also guys, before I go, if you like this video, give me a thumbs up, hit that bell notification and subscribe for more content in the future. Anyway, take care of yourselves, have fun.